Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you my Murakami pieces. These are the 5 pieces that I really wanted, and finally yesterday the Victorine came and now it's complete. I'm at peace now, and I'm just gonna show you one by one. From the 5 pieces, I have one panda, onion man. I think this is the onion man. I have the ribbon and 3 stickers. And the perfume. The perfume, I got it online, and it was, I think I only waited 3 days for the perfume. And for the sunglasses, I bought it directly in the store. It was not planned. I just tried it, and as I said, yeah, it's nice, and I also like it, so I bought it. So this is direct purchase in the store. The passport holder, I ordered this on the day at lunch together with the Rosalie, but the Rosalie came first for 2 weeks. It came, and after 3 weeks, the passport holder also came. And what else? The Rosalie, I ordered this January 17, and it came yesterday, February 10, so more or less 3 weeks. Yes, I had to say there was a quite scratch here on the flower, so yeah, but still I decide I will keep it since there's no like a major how do you call that one defect like threads or the leather scratches. It's just this very tiny scratch, and I really wanted this Victorine, so I think I will just keep it. And that's it, guys. Now I'm at Murakami piece, but honestly I still want the coin purse, the zippy coin purse in this color. I hope I can get it. Let's see. And that's it, guys. My entire Morami collection. With the bags, I don't have the urge with the bags. I don't know. There's no bag that really caught my eye, caught my heart. And I already had a lot of bags. So I just focused on SLGs, small leather goods, especially the Rosalie. This is the one that I really want. And the Victorine. The Victorine wallet is so nice. And by the way, I'm gonna show you guys where the species made in came from or made in. The Murakami, I mean the Victorine is made in Italy. You see that? The Victorine is made in Italy. And I just love the Victorine settings that it holds a lot of cards, and the special for the, I mean, for the cash. I love wallet that has a special place for cash, paper bills. This one is also made in Italy. The sunglasses. It's hard to. That's Louis Vuitton. The other side, oops, sunglasses is made in Italy. And this one, don't know the passport holder. Where is it made from? Made in France. Passport holder is made in France. And I think the Rosalie is made in Spain. Yeah, Rosalie is made in Spain. So Spain, Spain, France, to our Italy. So that's it, guys. The perfume, I don't know. I think made in France. I love scent of this Atrap Reps. I don't know how to pronounce this one. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm just happy with my pieces. This is the only collection from LB that I'm obsessed with. I don't know why. Maybe because of the colorful. This one, the multicolor, I really love it. And by the way, the Romy, I already had a Romy, but I returned it because it's just, I don't know, it only holds, there's only 4 card slots and the zipper compartment, and it's, for me, it doesn't hold enough cards. I want an SLG or a card holder, a wallet that can fit a lot of cards. And the Victorine and the Rosalie, they can hold a lot. So I just returned the Romy, sad to say. But the Romy was actually very nice with the imprint leather. It was really, really nice. But it's not for me. So I returned. I can also resell it, but I'm too lazy. I'm too lazy to post, to resell. It's just I return it. That's the easiest way. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.